In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Deezer download not working. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Deezer needs a stable internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. If that is not the case, you might also not have enough storage space. So simply go ahead and have some enough storage in order to go ahead and download from Deezer. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go to settings and download in order to check if download is enabled and smart downloads is enabled, and also the location can be seen here as well. If it is not working, simply try re-downloading by deleting the download from the downloads. You might have an outdated application which might cause an error. Simply go to App Store or Play Store and update your Deezer. If you're on an Android, then you might need to clear your cache, or if you don't have the premium, then you won't be able to download. If you are using any kind of battery savers, that is also going to go ahead and interfere with it. And if not, simply try to restart your app. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.